Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Brave browser on iPhone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta find your App Store. The App Store will look like this. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, once the App Store is open, go ahead and tap on the search function at the bottom right. Once done, tap on the search bar at the top. And then just go ahead and find Brave. Just like so. Once done, use the search function. Again, tap on it. And then go ahead and find Brave browser and private web. So to get it, just tap on the cloud button or get, depending on your device. So just tap on it and just wait for the installation process to finish. Now, while it's downloading, you can go ahead and browse through the apps right here related to browsers. And if you like one, just tap on get. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and check it out if it's done. Now, it's done. All you got to do is just tap on open, and Brave browser is now on your iPhone. That's how easy it is to install Brave or the Brave browser on your iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.